How to sync video with music bits in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the GoPro Quik app on your device. Next, go to the Studio tab, select the video you want to edit from your media library, and tap to open it in the editor. Now tap on the music option and choose a track from GoPro Quik's built-in music library or from your own collection. After selecting the music, go back to the timeline and select Edit. You will see the bit sync feature next to Auto Trim. This option automatically matches your video cuts and transition to the rhythm of the music. You can tap the plus button on the timeline to add bit sync and trim using the handlebar. Preview the video to make sure the sync works well with your chosen track. If needed, you can manually adjust clips or transitions for a perfect fit. Once you are satisfied, tap Save to apply the video with music bits. Now you know how to sync a video with music bits in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.